This is how to deploy a Next.js project on Vercel. From your dashboard, go to Add New, select Project, if you have a Git repository from your GitHub, you can see it here, or you can use templates provided by Vercel. So we will browse all, and you can search for Next.js. Then you can select a Next.js template from the list. So let's say, okay, this one, preview mode. Just click deploy and choose your Git scope and just click create. And we have just deployed a Next.js project. You can add domain and enable speed insights. And let's go to dashboard. Then you can view your Next.js project. So this is how to deploy a Next.js project on Vercel.